Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create engaging Twitter threads using ChatGPT. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your browser and search for ChatGPT. Here you can see introducing ChatGPT. Press on this. Now press on Try ChatGPT. Now here I'm gonna show you a step-by-step guide to creating an engaging Twitter thread with ChatGPT. I'm giving you some steps with example prompt. You just have to follow these rules, tips and tricks. So let's go. Number 1. Craft a strong hook. Example prompt. Write a strong opening tweet for a thread on overcoming procrastination that hooks the audience. Let's search the result. Here is the result. Number 2. Outline the thread's structure. Example prompt. Outline 6 to 8 tweets for Twitter threads on overcoming procrastination, including practical tips. Now go for your result. Here it is. Number 3. Add example and personality. Example prompt. Add a personal anecdote to tweet #3 about Eat the Frog. This is your result. Use relatable examples or share personal anecdote to make the advice stick. Number 4. Conclude with engagement. Example prompt. Write a closing tweet for this thread that encourages engagement. Let's search the answer. Here is your result. So this is how to create engaging Twitter threads using ChatGPT. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.